Hey there, Kalena from Voice Savvy coming right back at you with another video. So in the last video, I spoke about building confidence as a performer. I spoke about how every aspect of our lives is impacted by the way that we see ourselves. And one of the keys to becoming a more confident performer is to master our self-talk. So in this video, I'm going to be talking you through creating a self-talk log during your practice sessions, which is ultimately to help you identify your thoughts, whether they're positive, whether they're negative. The idea is to identify the thoughts, and then once you've identified the thoughts, then you can begin to replace those negative thoughts with the positive thoughts. So let's do this. Creating a self-talk log. Number one, pick a song that you're working on that is challenging but not too challenging. Number two, have a notebook and pen handy so that you can quickly write down your thoughts. Number three, practice singing the song for about 5 to 10 minutes, and at any time you have a thought, stop for a moment and quickly write the thoughts down. Number four, when you finish practicing, check your notebook and look at the written down thoughts and count them. Did you have just a few thoughts or many? Number five, how many thoughts were supportive, irrelevant, and distracting? Did you make any personal attacks on yourself? For example, I suck, I never get this one right, I'm rubbish, etc. How many thoughts were negative? Number six, how many of your thoughts were supportive, relevant, and helpful to your performance? Thoughts that helped you to reinforce good techniques in order to get the desired outcome. For example, keep an eye on an even airflow. That one was good. I just need to watch my effort levels with this one, etc. How many thoughts were positive? As I've mentioned, the key is to identify your thoughts. Once you've analyzed your thoughts, you can begin to change them and you can begin to make them more conducive to building you up rather than tearing you down. If you do this over a period of time, it might not happen overnight, but slowly you will begin to become more confident. You will begin to notice that you are more confident, but it's about being consistent and doing this consistently over a period of time. Then you're going to notice the difference, But this is ultimately going to help you work towards becoming a more confident performer. So like I said in part one of building confidence as a performer, we are what we say we are. You are what you say you are. And let me tell you, you are a winner. You are a winner. You need to start speaking positivity over yourself on a daily basis. You wake up in the morning, you get straight in front of that mirror and you start to tell yourself that you are a winner. Speak life. Speak life. Life and death is in the power of the tongue. So you speak that life over yourself because you are a winner. You need to speak what you want to be as though you are. Speak what you want to be as though you are. Think the thoughts that are ultimately going to lead you towards your future performance success. But I hope you found this video helpful. I will see you again soon. You are a winner. See you soon. Peace out.